Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be creating this rose gold makeup look, and yeah, if you guys are interested then keep on watching. So I'm using this CeraVe moisturizer. This one adds the perfect amount of hydration without feeling heavy, and it creates a smooth base for the foundation. Next, I'm using this Himalaya lip balm for hydrating my lips. Then for foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. It just perfects the skin without feeling heavy. And I'm using this flat brush to distribute the foundation all over the face. And this just gives a full coverage. The shade here I'm using is Ivory. Then I'm using this rounded foundation brush and dabbing the foundation without dragging it, and I just take my time to blend the foundation. Then for concealer, I'm grabbing this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Ivory. Then I just put a little amount of it, and with a small blending brush, I blend it all over my eyes, and the leftover I place it on my eyelid for the base for eyeshadow. Next, to add some glow to my face, I use this Rare Beauty highlighter, and I just put a little amount of it and then blend it with a brush to get that natural finish. For setting powder, I'm using this Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder, and I put mostly on the center of my face, and I just leave it for a while so that the makeup doesn't look cakey and it's long lasting throughout the day. To make my eyebrows look natural, I use this eyebrow pencil in shade dark brown, and I just put it where it's much needed. Then with the spoolie, I distribute it all over the place. Then for eyeshadow, I'm using this Morphe Fava Bloom palette, and I use this lightest shade, and then with a big blending brush I blend it all over. Then for outer crease I use this shade and then blend it in a circular motion. Then for that rose gold shade I'm grabbing this LA Girl Glitter liquid eyeshadow. Then I place it on the inner part of my lid and blend it with my finger for that pigment. Next, I'm going on with this AOA liquid eyeliner, and I go on with the winged liner for this look. Then for mascara, I'm using this Cezanne mascara and putting it on my upper lashes as well as a lower lashes. Then to add some warmth to my skin, I'm using this Hoola bronzer, and I blend it with a angular brush. Then I put it on my cheekbones, jawline, and a bit on my forehead. Next, for blush, I'm using this Juvia's blush palette, and I'm using this peachy tone shade and applying it on the higher points of my cheeks. Next, for lip liner, I'm using this Huda Beauty lip liner in the shade Doodle, then shading it on the outer corners of my lips. Then I use this Golden Rose lipstick in the shade 47, and I apply a little amount of it. To make my lips more glossy, I'm going on with this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Cheeky. Then to finish off, I'm using this Golden Rose fixing spray and spraying it all over my face. And there you have it, the perfect rose gold glam look. And yeah, if you liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next one.